Um, Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel again, EI Wealth and Health. Today we're going to be doing some exercise. You know, we've done a lot of you who doesn't know about this channel. It's not only financial market that we talk about or stock market. We talk about general investment and exercise and healthy living. You know, so if you into trying to get into shape so that you get to where you'll be happy with your body. You know, this is a channel that we normally do that, and these are indoor exercise most of the time. Sometimes we do go to gym, you know, if everything is right, you know, like if they open up, gyms in London or for us to go, we can go to gym sometimes. We can go to the park sometimes and do exercise in the park, but predominantly we do that we do most of our exercise indoors because of the coronavirus. So, but as the society opens up, we're going to be doing, sometimes outside in the park or, in the field, the soccer field, or we can be going to the gym as well. But today we're going to be doing one of the indoor exercise that we do, so we can get into shape and look good for have a way of looking right for ourselves and getting. The most important thing for you to be happy with yourself, how you look. It's not about what about other person think. It's about how you feel. And this world, no matter how much money you make, if you don't have your health, you don't have nothing. Health is wealth, they say. So hence the word, health and wealth. We take care of our health as much as we are trying to make some money to have a financial freedom. So health is part of part of what we do as well. Health is wealth. So today we're going to be doing some indoor exercise, and this is what I do at my time. This is today we're going to be doing what I call supersetting. Like in my previous video, I did a little bit of that, but today I'm going to be doing another type of exercise, but I'm going to be doing two things at the same time. So this is how we can we can lose weight and look good for ourselves. So what I'm going to be doing now is what I call burpees. I'm going to be doing burpees, and when I do burpees, I do like 10 sets. 10 sets, 10 reps. 10 reps makes one set. So I'll count 10 times of stooping down, doing push-up at the same time, getting up. Then after each one, I do a push-up or press-up, if you like, 10 times, to call it one set. So this is how it goes. I go all the way down like this, wake up, come up again 10 times, then do push-up 10 times to call it one set. That's one set. So I'm going to be doing that without resting. You do it like for 5 minutes, then you can pause and catch your breath. Always try to exhale, open your mouth and, you blow air from your mouth when you get tired. That's how you get back some energy. And at the same time, try to, rehydrate by drinking water as well. So this is what I mean by burpees. You bend down like this, go up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then now do push-up. 10 push-up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's one set. So this is one set of, I will do it like 10 times. That 10 times, it becomes 10 sets. So each burpees has about 10 times of, spraying down on the floor, getting up, going down again, getting up, using your hand as if you are doing press up, you get up. When you count 10, that's one set. Sorry, that's when you count 10, then you do press up 10 times, actual press up 10 times. That is that will complete it to one good set. So 10, so one set is 10 reps of burpees plus 10 reps of press up or push up. Some people call it press up, I call it push up. So 10 reps of that plus 10 reps of burpees gives you one set. So you do, my aim is to do it 10 times. That 10 times is enough for one set of exercise. Then you can now do push up, maybe 20, 30, 40 or 50 reps. That's for one set of push up or press up. You're gonna before you finish your exercise, I want you to do like 400, between 400 to 500 push up or press up every day, plus the burpees, that you did. So that's gonna be the whole package for that particular day. So this video I won't show everything because it's gonna be too long. I don't want to bore you by doing so much videos. I mean, spending so much time on one particular exercise. But this is what I aim to do. 10 reps of burpees plus 10 reps of push-up. That's one set. Then when I finish, I'm going to do it 10 times. When I finish that, I do like 200 or 300, depending on how you still feel after that. 200 to 300 or 400 or 500 push-up on its own. Single push-up on its own. Maybe 30 reps or 20 reps. That's one set of push-up. You're going to do like, until you count like, you've done all together, you've done about 300 to 400 or 500 push-ups, for a session of exercise for that particular day. I try to do like 5 days a week, 6 days a week, sometimes 7, depending on how you want to, how fast you want to, to start seeing results. But I personally, because I've done this for a long time, I told you people I was overweight before, then I learned how to do exercise through some people that helped me and taught me. And since that time, it has become part of my life. It's like it was a therapy for me, when I feel down or stressed out. But at a point, it becomes a lifestyle. So right now, if I don't do it, I feel like I'm missing out something. It's like I'm thirsty for, hungry for food or thirsty for water. That's how how my body is used to that. If I don't do it, I will be craving to do exercise. And once I do it, I sleep well. I feel very good and sleep very well without being bothered. So exercise is a very good therapy. It cures stress and it still make you look, it still make you be very healthy for everything you need in health. Exercise is like medicine, but a lot of people don't know it. People that suffer diabetes, I've taught them, and they stopped using tablets, for their diabetes because of loss of weight. So exercise is like in the drugs. It's a medication, but people don't realize it. It cures a lot of illnesses, But once you start doing it, initially it's gonna be hard, But once you start doing it, your body get used to it, and you start loving it. And when you start loving it, when you start seeing the changes in your body, that's gonna even motivate you more to keep on going. So anyone can do it. If I can lose weight from 300 pounds to where I am today, I mean anyone can do it. It doesn't matter whether you're a woman or a man, you can do it. You just have to have the mindset to start. The most difficult thing is to start something. But remember, they say the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step. So you can start with doing like 5 push-ups. I know it's going to be difficult for you for the first time. So you can start with 5. Then from there you progress to 10 push-ups as one set. Myself, I can do 50 push-ups as one set. Like I show you now, I can do 50 times. Okay, like I count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, for 2, for 3, for 4, for 5, for 6, for 7, for 8, for 9, 50. Yeah. So I can do 50, but I'm not telling you to start by 50. It took me a long time. I've done this thing for so many years. So 50 is not easy, but as a beginner, don't get scared. Start with 5, 10, 15, 20, wherever your strength can take you, or whatever your body can be taken. But don't stress your body so much as a beginner. Like I told you, the more you do it, the more you build up stamina. At a point, you won't even notice that you're doing exercise. It becomes part of you. So that's how to start. Start with baby steps. As you increase your stamina, from 5. The next week you can be doing 10. From 10, you can be doing 15. Before you know it, you do like 20 sets. Sorry, you do like 20 reps for one set of push-ups or one set of press-up. So but start with baby step. Push-up has a lot it does. It gives you, it helps your bicep, build muscle in your bicep, even in your back arm here, even at your back here, push up also, it gives you a V shape in your back like this, not to talk of your chest, as you progress, then if you want to have a division in your chest, in your middle of your chest here, like all this, definition to make your chest, be more pronounced like this, you bring your fingers, bring your hands closer, very close on the floor when you're doing it. But that's after you've mastered, the normal push-up. For you to start having a defined chest, you bring your your hands closer to each other. It's called, in the exercise world, it's called a diamond push-up. If you bring your hands together, the space is going to be very narrow. And that's how you get definition for your chest. So that's how to do push-up, So don't rush yourself if you don't. Always tucking your arm, tucking your hands straight, when you're doing it. Don't expand your hand like this, because it's going to be too, you won't get result when it comes to, having a defined chest and a bicep, So if you narrow your hands on the floor, for a beginning, that's how, it doesn't matter how many you can do at a time, but the most important is to get the form right. In workout, in exercise, the form of what you're doing, determines how well, the exercise is going to work on your body. So don't get carried away. You want to do 50, you want to do 100 sets, 100 reps at a time. No. You can do 5, but let it be a good 5. Or 10, let it be a good 10. Let the form be right so you can get the result that you need. I'll show you how to do exercise, push-up. Okay, now this time around, I'm going to do like 30 so that you know how to position your hands so that you get the right form. So this is how to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So as you can see, this is the space I gave in my between my two hands is not more than this. See? This way straight, not like this way. So you can get good results. That's the right form to do push-up. So let's get back to what's it called? Let's get back to the burpees. The burpees I'm gonna do, like I said, I do 10 reps of burpees is 1 set. So that's how we're gonna do. After that, Then I do like 20 or 30 or 40 or 50 push-up or press-up to make a whole set. So because it's 2 exercises in one, that's what we call supersetting. You are doing more than one particular exercise at a time. So right now, I want to do burpees again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's one set. 10 reps of burpees. That's one set. So the next thing you're going to do now, after that is press up. Either 10 press up, or 20, or 30, or even 5 for a beginner. You know, that's one set. You know, that's what when you do that, combined with the burpees you do, you know, it's one set of the exercise, one set of supersetting exercise. So you can do it like 10 times, you know, which is 10 sets in one day. If you still have strength, then you can do 200 or 300 or 400 or 500, depending on how strong you still feel. That's the exercise for the day. You know, then another day, you know, you can do another type of exercise, which I'll be showing you people in subsequent videos I will be doing. So on the day of the day I want to do burpees. I do burpees and push-up as a supersetting. That's the exercise I will do for that particular day. If it's a leg day, I'll show you how I do legs, you know, on a particular day. But today, what we are doing is supersetting on burpees and push-up. So in order to not make this video too long, I'm going to stop by after this set of, push-up. You know, but that's how you can do exercise on a particular day. Each day has a different, different body part in a day. So, but this particular exercise I'm doing today, which is burpees and what's it called? Burpees and the push-up or press-up. You know, the job is it works from head to toe. Because your body, when you bend down and get up, all the part of your body is almost at, you know, the same motion. You know, you bend down, you get up, bend down, you do push-up as you're getting up. You know, as you're going down, you do push-up and get up at the same time. Light push-up as you get up and, lie down on the floor, get up, lie down, get up, get up. Then after that, you do the press-up or the push-up. As you can see, I'm already sweating. You see, I'm already sweating. It looks easy, but it's not easy. That's why you should start with a baby step, so you can build your stamina. As you build your stamina, you can do 100 sets, whatever, in a day. Depends on how strong you are, you know. But it works. It works your stomach. All the part of your body is being in motion, being put to work, and you lose weight. At the same time, you know, you're looking lean. You know, that's the whole idea. So let's get in and do another set of burpees and push-up at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is another set, one set. Then you do push-up, 10 or 20 or 30 reps for one set. So when you get tired, you know, when you're doing push-up or you're doing burpees, as you stoop low and get up, you blow air from your mouth. That will now give you more energy, like this. Bend down. Another one. Another one. Another one. And always keep, water beside you so that you can dehydrate because you'll be sweating. You need to replenish the water that is coming out of your body so that to ease pressure from your heart as well, so that you don't faint or anything. But like I said, you can see all this small thing I've done. See how sweaty I'm already. If you do this thing for 30 minutes, everywhere will be full of water on the floor, sweat coming out from your body. So this is what the military people used to do in the barracks when they are doing exercise. They call it burpees. It works. It's hard. It looks easy, but it's hard. It's not easy. But as you get used to it, it becomes part of you. So thank you for watching, and that's it for today's exercise. And next time, I'm gonna do another I'm gonna show you people another part of exercise. Maybe, legs or whatever. That will. I'll show you, and I will explain to you what that particular part of exercise does in the, in the body. Thank you so much for watching, and please always remember to subscribe to EI Wealth and Health. We are family. We are trying to grow and help each other in this channel. So we do exercise at the same time. We'll talk about the financial market and general investment. So thank you. You guys are families, and I appreciate all your support. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye.